The Deal Auto Electric Parts 2X760W Bluetooth-controlled round RGB halo ring headlights stand out as a compelling upgrade for automotive enthusiasts looking to enhance both functionality and aesthetics. Designed to be compatible with a range of models using 6012, 6014, 6015, H6017, and H6024 round sealed beam headlights, these units offer versatility without compromising on performance. One of the most impressive features is the Bluetooth control, which allows users to customize their lighting experience directly from a smartphone app. This advanced capability enables you to choose from a wide spectrum of RGB colors and dynamic lighting modes, providing a personalized touch that sets your vehicle apart from the rest. The installation process is straightforward, thanks to a well-engineered design that accommodates a variety of vehicle configurations with minimal modification. In terms of brightness and clarity, these headlights deliver outstanding illumination.